How to use the Questia library database in your eBook, searching, saving, and creating a list of sources. Open your eBook in Blackboard, take off pop-up blockers, click icon with an I in the circle. Search for your topic keywords. Choose journals, magazines, or news. Click on the title of an article. Save articles to Active Project folder. Click Search to get back to your list. Click Back to Search Results link. Click Menu to find project folders. Click Projects link. Click Projects folder. Choose Items and create bibliography. Questia lists the sources you chose. Click Export to MS Word button. Reformat Works Cited for Times New Roman font, 12-point font, and double spacing. Please contact us via phone at 270-901-1171 or online at southcentral.libanswers.com.